day 1. I don't know how I'm gonna name these. I don't know if I should just go by days, but maybe these vlogs will be like a couple of days or like a weekend together, depending on how much we do in a day. But I'm gonna try and upload as much as possible during the month of December, because I've always wanted to do Vlogmas, and every year I just let it go by the wayside for whatever reason. So this year is the year. Right now I just kind of finished my makeup. I did like kind of like that cold girl makeup, cream blush and cheeky. Such a pretty color, and I just put it on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. I'm really excited to use today that I found at TJ Maxx yesterday, or actually the Jaclyn Cosmetics Luminous Rouge blushes. I got 2 and I'm so excited about them. So I got one in the shade Loverboy. Love Language. Use Love Language today, and she said it's better to use kind of like almost like a topper. So I am, and I'm excited because it's supposed to be like a luminous blush. Like I love the look of like a highlighted luminous cheek, and since we're kind of getting in, I'm trying to find the best bridal makeup before my wedding. So oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at the packaging, and I love how you can tell the color just from the lid, that way you don't have to like turn it over. But on my little Persona Cosmetics blush brush, and we're gonna just tap it in. Ooh, much more pigmented than I thought. I love the luminous light highlighter formula. Like I wear that almost daily. So to have it combined with the blush, I'm super excited, because I totally get what she means. Like you kind of go back and forth between highlighter and blush, because you know the highlighter kind of tones down the blush a little bit, which can be good sometimes, especially if I went too crazy. You still want that luminosity when you're blended. So I definitely like the look of the blushes on their own. Luminous sheen to the skin, it looks really good. I love the cold girl look of it. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to keep using these. I'm excited to use both of these shades, and I'm so excited to potentially have it as my wedding blush. I like the luminosity, but I think so far I still like the look of like the Charlotte Tilbury, that blush palette. The sheen on that. Now that formula is beautiful. I think that's gonna be my wedding blush. It's really good, but it's just not as, maybe it's just the color, but the Charlotte Tilbury a little bit more to get it there. And then you put like the blush topper on top, a satin, beautiful glow from within, which was what I was kind of hoping this was. I have to keep testing it out. So I like it so far, but it's not everything. But I got them from TJ Maxx for like $8. It was a steal, so I'm very excited to keep trying these out, and I can't wait to try the more orange one in Loverboy. It's kind of like a more burnt peachy color. This is it. My hair looks horrible today, but it's okay. We're going out to dinner later tonight, so that's why I kind of like got fully ready. But I just wanted to show you this. I kind of went with a silver eye. So I'm going to see what we did earlier this week, which was kind of fixing up our kitchen. We have a hideous kitchen. It's so ugly. I hate the countertops. I hate the cabinets and everything. But since it's like pretty black, I'm like, okay, we can make more modern kitchen. I've been delaying this project for so long. Got some contact paper, and then we got those stick-on tiles. So that was kind of the project we did for one side of the kitchen. We still have the whole giant island to go, but we wanted to really test it out. And I really love how the left side turned out. The right side was a little janky. There was bubbles and there was a whole thing. So it was a big learning experience. But now we know when we do the giant counter, it's gonna be great. But I love how the tiles turned out. I think it brightens up the space so much more. I'm trying to do it with like a credit card, but it's really hard. I have a lot of bubbles. This was side 1. We got better. It's already so much brighter, and I already like it so much better. Side to side, why?
Side to side, because when you go meet in the middle, it doesn't connect.
2 hours later. We babysitted my nephews, which was fun, and we took them to a trampoline place to be a good auntie and uncle and help tire them out, because my brother went to a company Christmas party. Hey guys, so it is Monday. I just got back from a work meeting, and I just wanted to pop on because I'm feeling so frustrated. Like I'm seeing all the TikToks and stuff about everyone's order being delayed, or like their tracking number not being right, or their tracking number being like delivered in like September and like in a different state. That is the case with me right now. I ordered it on Black Friday. And you know what? Something inside me said it was too easy to get these products. I just thought girl finally restocked the proper amount. Now it says my order was delivered September 19th. How? And that it was delivered in Massachusetts, I think. Maybe it was Michigan. I don't know. I'm not in that state. If us getting our orders, anybody been wanting to try this brand, these products for so long, months, can never get my hands on them. I'm like, I'm never gonna try these products, am I? I'm really not. Maybe it's just not meant for me. It's not in the cards for me. But now I'm just like so mad. I've been getting more and more just disappointed with the brand in general. I'd rather try another peptide ceramide product that is not going to be this difficult for me to get my hands on. I think this is ridiculous. Like, everyone is spending their hard-earned money to get these products, and then to have the lack of customer service response, lack of even addressing the issue. I think they finally did today. Let's play, will we receive our orders? Only time will tell. Another day, another Vlogmas. I feel like I've been so bad at keeping up with this just because I'm like doing things, but it's not like anything super exciting. Randomly is the daily crystal bag. So if y'all don't know, I'm very into crystals, astrology, all the woo-woo things. Big fan. I always carry around a little bag of crystals just to really get the energy flowing within me. So I'm gonna be filming content. It's like a lot of like, not go-getter crystals, but things that make me focus. Clear quartz for like, you know, an amplifier, if you're not familiar with crystals. The thing I hate, oh my God, they are so delicate. Like, I keep finding like chunks out of my poor little crystals. It makes me sad when they get hurt. I got some carnelian. We love her. And this is like for creativity, amp it up, very Aries energy, which is my sun sign. Another poor girl that's had just chunks coming out of her and it makes me so sad, but this is smoky citrine. Money, abundance, you know, just we can always use more. And then we just got my pure citrine girl, tiger's eye, which is great when you're like focusing on tasks, very masculine energy, get shit done, because I have a lot to do today and with content and like, you know, my 9-to-5 job. And then we have my favorite, which I think is the reason for everyone else chipping, because this is a large and in charge girl. This is my rhodonite egg and it's so cute. Very loving energy, love towards yourself, others, and kind of just like, I use it more as like, you know, harnessing doing what you love and you know what energizes you. So when creating content, I love having my little eggie here. That is my daily crystal haul. So if y'all are interested in that or more crystal stuff, crystal content, let me know. Sweater thing, it looks huge. I figured this was very Christmassy. I'm just doing my skincare routine. I already like washed my face. Priori Everyday Recovery Serum. This kind of just, it has vitamin C in it, so I kind of like using this in the morning. I go back and forth between this. I know I just shared my hyperpigmentation routine. I still really love the Alpine Beauty one. That's kind of my go-to, but Alpine Beauty is just a little bit thicker to rub in, which is great for winter, but sometimes when I'm like in a rush, it's nice to have these more lightweight gel formulas because I can just kind of keep it moving. Just, it can get to be a little bit of a mess if I don't wait long enough. That, and with the SkinCeuticals, because they're a bit more, that's more of a gel formula, so it's just, they don't act well together unless you really let them dry. I went to the doctor this morning, just like for a little checkup, and I'm so sad. I gained like 2 pounds. Not a lot, I'm not freaking out about it, but I am upset, and I've been kind of feeling just like lazy lately and like really want to get back into working out, even if it's just at home. But I feel like I do better in a workout class environment. I feel like I'm just more energized, but then the other problem is I tend not to go, like I get very lazy, but then I tend not to work out if I'm home. So it's like a whole thing. So I might do ClassPass, Summer Fridays Dream Oasis, since we're feeling dry today. It's with the wedding coming up, I just want to like, you know, feel and look my best. And not that I'm like doing like any like shredding for the wedding, but you know, I just want to be healthier in general. It's been like my goal this year. And I feel like I've really let it fall off, unfortunately. Get back into working out, eating a lot better. I'm not, you know, the holiday season, we eat a little bit more sweets and carbs than we would maybe do regularly. Just trying to use it as motivation for me to keep getting my 10,000 steps in, which I have not been doing. So that's problem number one, and just to eat better. Healthier habits, because I've also been off on my journaling, my meditation, just like all my wellness things that make me like feel great. I haven't been doing, and I wonder why I feel so off, and that's probably exactly why. Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I think I'm gonna do Move with Nicole Pilates. Today I'm actually going to a football game. The Rams are playing again, which I went to on Sunday. They lost. Should be fun, but also I have like a lot of things to do for work that day. Tatcha, it's like very thick, but for winter, the Dewy Skin Cream, she's She's very, very nice. Got a K-Skin. Thank you, K-Skin, for sending this to me. They sent me some other body products. This is their Deep Water Nourishing Lip Mask, and it has hibiscus and aloe stem, and my lips have been dry. Like, I like cut my lip. I don't know how. I don't know if it was just so dry it got cut. Use like the tiniest amount. I love how thick it is, and hopefully it brings me some relief. Ow! This lip mask feels good, and hopefully, again, helps just to nourish it, because this bottom lip really, really hurts. The last part of my skincare routine is this Summer Fridays. My sunscreen is truly the best. I think literally my favorite sunscreen. It's a little pricey, but she's worth the price. After that, I'm just gonna like seal it in with this Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. During that, it's been kind of like sporadic. There'll be more Christmassy things coming out, like I'm gonna finish decorating my tree probably tonight, so I'll film that for this week's Vlogmas, and then going to the Ram game. I'm gonna upload as much as I can, but it might be in like, not like day 1, day 2, maybe like a couple of days. We also filmed some other gift guides and stuff. Let me know your Hailey Bieber, like your road orders, if you guys have ordered anything, because it's getting frustrating and I'm like, am I ever gonna try this brand? I really don't know. I guess it's like all over TikTok, so we'll kind of see what happens there. Thank you guys for watching. Leave me down in the comments below, and I am excited to see you in Vlogmas tomorrow.